Next in the series of tips on demystifying your healthcare billing, we're going to talk about understanding your insurance coverage. First, you really want to understand first you want to know and then understand what your insurance plan is going to cover, what the benefits are, if there's any limitations on there. There's so many different insurance plans and they're so different and confusing, and even your agent is not going to know it better than you because your particular plan is what you chose, right? And so you want to understand things like deductibles, which is the amount you have to pay out of pocket before the insurance covers you. You want to understand your out-of-pocket max, which is the maximum amount that you'll have to pay in a year. You want to understand if there's any lifetime maximums on the policy or yearly maximums, which is when the insurance company, that's their max on what they're willing to pay. And you also want to understand if you have things like coinsurance or copayments, because this will help you anticipate your financial responsibilities. And I love it when clients are super proactive about this, like before they go get a surgery or before, if it's something that you can plan, of course, that they understand their coverage and so they can anticipate what they're gonna owe and their out-of-pocket's gonna be. That's the best way to be empowered about your healthcare. And also you wanna know if there's any supplemental coverage on your policy, if you have any, for example, critical illness benefit that pays an extra benefit if you get a critical illness like cancer, heart attack, stroke, something like that, because that benefit will actually pay and offset some of your deductible or out-of-pocket max on the main plan. Also, if you have accident coverage, which is a supplemental accident coverage, it's basically like having two policies. You have your regular plan and then you have this coverage, this accident coverage that will pay and offset that. And it all works together to bring your costs down. But first you have to really understand what it is you have and to know if something's missing when you look at a bill or an EOB. And really meeting with your insurance agent can help you, and do it yearly is what I recommend. On just remind me what I have again. Let's go over it. Do I need this and not? And just give me a little quick 5 minutes. And if you do that and you request that, you should be able to get it. And the power is going to be in your hands. And if in watching this, you're curious about, what I just said, critical illness and accident coverage, and there's even some that cover you daily in the hospital, like they'll pay a certain amount for every day that you're hospitalized, which again it'll basically pay your deductible for you. If this sounds new and interesting, that is not on every health insurance plan. A lot of times people think that having all that extra coverage will be expensive, but you'd be surprised to find out how affordable that extra coverage can be. Maybe an extra $25 a month for a single person, maybe $100 a month for a whole family. And you can make sure that your maximum exposure, if something happens, is so little. So just a little bit extra on the front end can really help you prevent having a big out of pocket. And if you need an agent that can really give you information about all these little things that are not the norm, reach out to me. I love to do that for my clients. My goal is to have you protected for the everyday, keep your premium down, but also leave you with as little out of pocket as possible if something does happen, especially the common stuff like injuries and accidents where we can expect that those kind of things, are likely to happen to you. So if you found this video helpful, please share it, comment, like, and subscribe. You can connect with me at alexthehealthagent.com, or you can follow me on Instagram where I have lots of fun videos, including more videos in this series.